Seward, who knew Seward was so charming?
It is gorgeous. I mean, it really is.
Yeah. I don't know, what's the name of that thing over there other than waterfall? Wow. Well, that's kind of groovy. All right, so we finished up at Homer. Stayed on the Homer Spit for 2 nights boondocking in a great little spot where everybody comes to basically fish. Pretty much you're either a tourist doing the touristy kind of things down there, or you are a fisherman and you're fishing for salmon and halibut. Did you bring enough for the class, Miss Beatty?
I did. You want some? I got more options too.
Yeah. It's always good to have options. Yet again, everybody's fishing.
Fishing fools.
Fishing fools. Man, that's just crazy. So far, we've been in Seward for like 3.5 hours, and we have an amazing waterfall. This crazy view out here of the bay or the inlet, and we have an eagle and an eagle's nest outside our door. So Seward is not letting us down. Now, we've got 3 more days here. That was bumpy. 3 more days here to do all kind of stuff. So one of the things we're going to do here in Seward is check out the exit Glacier, which you can probably see behind me back there. Yep, right over there. It's massive and beautiful. We're here at Kenai Forest National Park in the exit Glacier area. So they have signs on the trail just like they had when we were driving up to show where the terminus of the glacier was at a certain date. So 1917, it was here. That would be 1926. Let's see what this warning sign says. The exit Glacier outwash area is prone to sudden glacial outburst flood events. What you think, dear?
I think this is incredible.
Oh, that's a glacier. This is like the moon, I think. I've never been to the moon.
Or Hawaii.
Or Hawaii, but this is like, so it's a little rough walking. It's not too bad. You can kind of pick out the smooth spots to walk in and take your time, and you'll be just fine. There's not a lot elevation gain up or off of the trail or anything like that. Just take your time, don't turn your ankle. But this is pretty easy access, actually. It looks a lot, it's rough, but it's pretty easy access. That's pretty awesome. There's the terminus. You can see the little cave underneath the bottom where all the water's coming from. And the elevation gain up to the top for the Harding ice field, it said, is almost 4,000 feet. It may not look like it from here, but that's a long way up. This is a good hike though. So
This is a good hike.
it's a really good hike. Up, more up.
It's always up.
All right, well, wind's cold coming off there, feels good.
That was worth the journey.
It was worth the journey. It only took us about 15 minutes or so, 20 minutes to hike up here, if that long. It was definitely worth it. So you could really come with like a half day or even a quarter day and walk to the washout area and come up here to the overlook area.
Definitely, it's an easy
I don't think you
short trip.
Yeah, I don't think you have to choose one. You can do both. Now, if you're going to do the Harding Ice Field, that's like 4.5 miles one way, with a 3,000 or 4,000 foot elevation gain. So that's going to be an all-day thing. But to do the overlook and to do the outwash area, that only takes 3 or 4 hours, really.
Now, and we're here on a Sunday, so it's probably a little busier
busy,
than usual. The parking was a little tight, but that's okay. I mean, it's a gorgeous day.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. So it would not be this, I think, during the week or whatever, but it is a very pretty Sunday. So yeah, don't stress about time if you only got like a day to come out here and hike, because you can do it in a day easy.
So Barb, what are we doing today?
Whale watching, glacier watching on the boat.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited. I think Ken's a little bit more excited.
Yeah.
Because he can't.
Edging up.
Yeah. That's right, you tell them.
You get him. You growl like that. That's right. Yeah.